So quick access toolbar is right here, and I have the ones I like saved right here, but you can always change a little bit of the icons here. You can adjust the stuff like that. You can put it below or above. I like it above or below the ribbon right here. But to get to it, we go File, Options, and then you've got Quick Access Toolbar. So you can pick whatever you want here. So let's say you use filters a lot. You don't want to go all the way over here, or you don't want to use the hotkeys. You just pick those filters, add. And if you want it right there, great, it'll all be there. Creating a chart, go ahead. Well, I already have it, but you can add it. Recording a macro, viewing your macros, a pivot table, things like that, save as. You can even have it to where if you want to email it, you can have it set up there. So let's see where that one is. It should be, that might even be share. But regardless, what you can do is you can pick anything you want, and that whole insert, stuff like that, format painter, they're great. So hit OK once you have what you want in there. So let's say I have this. Let's see. Let's do different states. I'm in Nevada. Helps if I can spell. California, let's see, Oregon, Washington, Mexico, and so on. So let's say we have all of these and you want a certain color on them. So let's say you go southwest. Alright, so we'll make those blue. Let's say you want Arizona to be blue as well. So we can do same thing, click that, you can go there, or you can do the Format Painter, which is also right here, but I like it here in case I'm working in this tab. It's all over here. If I'm over here, I still have access to the things I want quickly. So what we do here, Format Painter, California, and maybe we want, we accidentally did, okay, so how about Washington? Oh, that's northwest, crud, okay. So we go there. We can either hit Control-Z, or we can hit another one that's how we want it formatted in the northwest. Format Painter, right there. Say I want to save it, I'll just go and hit that. There you go. You don't have to do File, Save As, any of that stuff anymore. Or if we have this states, let's say, okay, I'm working in page layout. Oh man, I have to go to Home, Sort and Filter, Add Filter, or if it's already in Quick Access, boom, there we go. Quick Access is totally customizable. It's anything you want it to be, and it's one of my favorite functions, or not so much function, but little add-ins in Excel. It's great, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Alrighty, and have a good one.